If you've ever wanted to remove a watermark from a photo in Pixlr, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can clean up your image quickly and export it in the format you need. Whether you're editing for a presentation, a social post, or a personal project, this method is simple, beginner-friendly, and doesn't require advanced editing skills. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to Pixlr Express, which is the official online editor. Since it runs in the browser, you don't need to install any heavy software on your computer. Once the page loads, you'll see the main editing interface. And from there, the first thing you need to do is upload your image. Click Open Image, then browse your local disk and select the photo that has the watermark you want to remove. After the image loads, give it a moment to appear fully in the workspace. If the image is large, it may take a few extra seconds, so just be patient while it finishes loading. Now look at the left side vertical menu panel. This is where Pixlr places its editing tools. From there, click on AI Tools. Pixlr groups a number of smart editing features here, and the one we want is designed specifically for removing unwanted objects from an image. Inside the AI Tools submenu, choose Remove Object Tool. This is the feature that helps erase watermarks, logos, or other distracting elements from your photo. Once you select it, your cursor should be ready to paint over the area you want removed. Now zoom in if needed, especially if the watermark is small or sits over detailed parts of the image. Then use your cursor to draw an outline or paint directly over the watermark. Try to cover the full watermark carefully, but don't worry if it's not perfect. The AI is designed to analyze the surrounding pixels and rebuild the area naturally. As soon as you release your cursor, Pixlr will begin processing the removal. This is the part where the AI studies the image around the watermarker and attempts to erase it cleanly. Depending on the size of the object and the complexity of the background, this may take a few moments, so wait for it to finish processing before clicking anything else. Once the AI is done, check the result closely. If the area still needs a little more work, you can run the tool again and refine the selection. For best results, make sure the watermark is fully highlighted and that the surrounding area is as clean as possible. Small adjustments can make a big difference in the final image quality. When you're happy with the result, it's time to save your work. Click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Pixlr will then open the export options where you can choose the file type that works best for your project. Select your preferred format, whether that's JPEG, PNG, or WebP. If you want a smaller file size, JPEG is a good option. If you need transparency or higher image quality for editing later, PNG may be better. And if you want a modern format with efficient compression, WebP is also a great choice. After selecting the format, download the file to your PC. Make sure to give it a clear name so you can find it easily later. And that's it. You've successfully removed a watermark from a photo in Pixlr and exported the finished image. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. I post simple guides to help you save time, learn new tools, and get better results with your edits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.